so here we are, 6 weeks or maybe 7 weeks, I can't remember, into quarantine, and I decided to film a video about what I've been eating and also what baby Jay has been eating during these crazy times. First off, it's not really quarantine, right? We're like social distancing, but we're not going grocery shopping nearly as much, so we run out of things and I have to get creative. And I also started making some of my staples from scratch, like tempeh and tahini, and I'm gonna do tofu next and soy milk. And anyways, I'm learning during this time. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you what we've been eating and how we've been staying healthy and nourished and thriving and happy during this time. So keep watching. Hope you enjoy. Let mommy make the tea. So we're having some oatmeal this morning. Oatmeal, banana, and orange. Frozen blueberries in there too. Enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it, little one. So I just finished my workout, I took a shower, baby's napping, had my water, and I'm starving. So I'm just gonna have some fruit to start, and we're also making some oatmeal right now. Fun. Why are you standing there? Okay, so now that I have my hair and makeup done, I'm gonna eat breakfast. And why am I wearing hair and makeup today? Because I'm going to go live later this morning doing a Earth Month challenge. Actually, by the time you watch this video, the challenge will be over, but it's been an amazing challenge. It's like a 10-day thing. Every day there's a different challenge to help you become more eco-friendly and, you know, adopt healthier, more sustainable habits. So today is day 8, and I'm going live with another blogger and Instagrammer named Ashley Renee. I'm really excited, and I get to look decent in the morning, which doesn't happen ever. So that's cool. So let's eat breakfast. I'm hungry. Very hungry.
It's a connection between like our body, like the health of our body, our homes, and the health of our planet. Because when you start, you know, really focusing on these ingredients and, you know, all the different things that go into our products and our food, not only will we become healthier, we start having healthier products in our homes. Our homes become healthier and less toxic, and then it has like that trickle effect where it now.
Exactly. So I just had an amazing Instagram live with Ashley Renee. I'm actually gonna save it to Instagram, so you can actually go to my Instagram and watch it. It was really great, inspiring to me, and we have a lot of people watching. So anyway, I'm pumped. Though I gotta leave the house right now because I'm gonna meet Max and baby Jay at the park so I can feed her lunch and we can hang out in the park together. So I just gotta really hurry and pull together all of her stuff and her lunch and leave like in 5 minutes. So. I made it to the park. I have the baby. You ready for lunch? She is having lentils, brown rice, peppers, carrots, and a little bit of avocado in there. Yum! Okay, so now for lunch, we are doing leftovers from last night. They are kind of the makings of my Better Than Chipotle burrito bowl, but lacking a few things, but it's still delicious. I'm gonna put that together for lunch. I'm gonna eat, finally. so here I have just some corn and bell peppers sauteed with garlic, some of the lentil like burrito taco meat with walnuts, brown rice, and some lettuce, and I'm gonna add guacamole. So everything is better with guacamole. I could eat a burrito bowl like this literally every single day. Gladly. I don't think I would get sick of it ever. As my daughter says, yum. She always says it just like that. Yum. You really need to get those little locks on the cabinet so you can't get into everything. You get into everything. So I started my own little garden. I guess you could call it that. It's just a few buckets. I've never planted anything ever, so, you know, who knows. But I'm out here checking on them now before the day is done. I'm just curious, like maybe I should move them to the front of the house where it's a lot sunnier. I don't know. I don't know. Tips, if you have tips, send them please to me. Please send them. This is gonna be maybe kale, maybe beets, maybe carrots, maybe arugula, aka rocket, basil, and catnip for my little girl Cusie, my feline friend. And I took out way too much compost out of my compost bin when I decided to plant all of these. I thought I would plant in here, but then I realized there were no holes in the bottom. So, bucket of dirt. I think I'm gonna transfer this, I think it's tomorrow, to another bucket and then plant some more seeds in there. A bucket that actually has holes, of course. Since we've been composting for the last 2.5 years since we've been living here, I feel like we can, you know, take care of a garden, right? Just have to be on top of it. And I'm okay with it not working out the first time around because I'm okay with learning from my mistakes and experience. So I'm just happy to finally get started, and I'm kind of like eager to get learning as well. Because I know there's a lot of waiting, but you know, I'm impatient, basically. She's on my phone, loves my phone. Okay, time for dinner. So I'm gonna feed her cauliflower, some steamed cauliflower, peas maybe. In the meantime, I'm also gonna make myself a piece of toast with Ezekiel bread. So for my toast, I just did some tahini, which I made at home, and I'm gonna put some sweet potato butter on it. My stepmom sent me this from the land of sweet potatoes, Georgia. Okay, so I have an idea. I'm gonna make her some cauliflower and butternut squash and peas. That's what she's going to eat. This butternut squash looks really good. They're like in season year round in Los Angeles, so it still looks really good. Or she can make cauliflower rice for baby, that would be perfect. But I don't want to go through the extra process of having to like take out the food processor and like blend it. So that's why I just steam it and then mash it with my fork. That's pretty much my whole philosophy with preparing stuff for her in general. I just want it to be done really quickly, and it's going to be nutritious anyway. It's just steamed vegetables. Since I already have the cauliflower out, I've decided that for dinner I'm going to make tempeh tikka masala. Now, I don't have all the ingredients. I'm out of sweet potato. I'm like, what? We eat a lot of sweet potatoes and it's quarantine time. So I'm gonna use butternut squash instead, and I'm gonna roast up the rest of this cauliflower because I'm only giving baby J light. I'm gonna steam a cup for her and she'll probably eat that over the next like 2 days. And so the remainder I'm gonna roast for us for dinner. To make this tempeh tikka masala, I am going to be using tempeh that I myself made at home last week. I was so surprised by how easy it was to make, though it is a long process, but it's simple, and how much tastier it is than any of the store-bought tempeh I've ever had. If you want to see a tempeh video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know, because I mean, I feel like everybody should make this. Very simple. You just have to have soybeans, and you buy a culture, put it on the internet to help ferment the beans. Simple. So we're gonna put this in our tempeh tikka masala tonight. So there you have it. That's what I've been eating in a day during quarantine. Of course, it changes every single day. Right now, Daddy Max is at the farmer's market picking up lots of groceries. So I'm gonna have a bunch of fresh goodies to eat. So if you wanna see what we've been eating on more of a daily basis, make sure to follow me on Instagram. My handle is @sweetpotatosoul. Follow me there. I also recently created a whole highlight for baby food. So if you wanna see more of what Baby J eats, check out my Instagram highlight and check out the video that I did last week where I go into more detail about what she eats on a daily basis. Check it out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and tell us what you've been eating during these strange and uncertain times. And I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.